Hello everyone, in this video we will walk through how to install 3 essential tools for STM32 development: STM32 Cube Programmer, STM32 CubeIDE and STM32 CubeMX. You can download all of these from the official ST-Link website. If you have not downloaded them yet, go ahead and do that first. Section 1. Install STM32 Cube Programmer. Let's start with the installing STM32 Cube Programmer. If you have already downloaded the software, extract the files. Now locate the setup programmer file and run it as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the license agreement and proceed. Choose your preferred installation path. Then click Next. Make sure to accept the terms of use. For component selection, you can leave everything as default. Click Next and wait for the installation to complete. Continue following the on-screen instructions and keep all settings as default. Once everything is done, click on Done. Set environment variable. Now let's configure the system path. Open Edit the system environment variables. Then click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find the path variable and open it. Click on New and add the path. Path would be installation path bin. Click OK to save everything. Testing STM32 Cube Programmer. Now let's test if everything is working correctly. Connect your ST-Link to the STM32 Black Pill board and plug it into your laptop. Open STM32 Cube Programmer and click on Connect. If everything is set up properly, it should detect the device and read the flash memory. To flash a file, click on Open File, select your .bin file and click on Download. Your binary should now be successfully flashed onto the board. Section 2. Install STM32 CubeIDE. Next, we will install STM32 CubeIDE. Open the downloaded setup file and run it as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions. You can leave all settings as default. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish. Section 3. Install STM32 CubeMX. Finally, let's install STM32 CubeMX. Open the setup file and run it as administrator. Again, follow the on-screen instructions and keep everything as default. After the installation completes, you are all set. Now you have successfully installed all 3 essential STM32 tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching.